Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can translate a voice in 100 plus languages, and how we can type, and how we can make a notes. So in this app have the many options by which you can do the many things. So this is very fantastic app to use. So I have already installed. So this is a keyboard which you can access in your cell phone, and if you want to use the voice app, so you can use the voice app by here easily, and you can use it. Now if you want to speaking in English, मेरा नाम can use. Okay, now voice translator we can use here easily. This is very good. Very amazing. And you can WhatsApp, you can open the WhatsApp app and you can type the notes. So this is very fantastic. And direct chat, if you want to do to somebody else, so put the number and you can do the direct chat by this. So this is very amazing app. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.